iPhone not vibrating on calls fix. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix iPhone not vibrating on calls. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, launch the settings application on your device and tap on the sounds and haptics option. Here under system sounds and haptics, make sure the toggle button for system haptics is toggled on. Also, tap on the haptics option and select the always play option. Now go back and tap on ringtone and tap on the haptics option. Here, select the haptic of your choice and make sure the none option is not selected. You can also create a vibration of your own. See if the issue was fixed or not. If not, go back to Settings homepage and tap on the Accessibility option. Under Physical and Motor, tap on the Touch option and here, make sure the toggle button for vibration is toggled on. Also check if your Do Not Disturb mode is enabled or not. To check, slide down from the right side of your screen and you will be led to the control center. Here tap on the Focus option and you will see the Do Not Disturb tab. Make sure the Do Not Disturb mode is not enabled, and even after doing all these, if your issue is still not fixed, then reset all settings. In order to reset all settings, in Settings itself, tap on General and scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and reset all settings. Doing this will reset all settings. Nevertheless, none of your data or media will be deleted. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now. And lastly, also check for iOS updates in your software update settings. So in Settings itself, tap on General and then on Software Update and make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. The latest version is crucial in maintaining optimal performance, and it can also resolve issues in your iPhone as Apple regularly releases updates that address bugs and improve overall functionality, and this is how you can fix iPhone not vibrating on calls. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.